challenging year requires more than just ambition. It requires a resilient biological foundation. And for the next 30 days, I'm running a protocol designed for capacity, not just aesthetic. And I'm removing the noise, refined sugar, gluten, and digital clutter. I'm replacing them with biological supports. NOA for hair and energy, Russian Mumio for hormone balance, and 60% rural nutrition. Each day, minimum 15 to 30 minutes of circadian walk, French immersion, high science skincare. This isn't a challenge, it's an architectural reset, and because you can't lead your life drained and stressed if you can't lead your own nervous system. This past year has been a lot. Ambitious is beautiful, but very heavy. And I realized I was trying to lead a life, my work and project at the same time, with a nervous system that was running on empty, overwhelmed. I'm removing the noise, not the phones and laptops all day. Instead, I'm feeding my cells Russian Mumio for hormonal balance, because being a woman in a high-output world requires a different kind of support. Just to show you before the whole journey, my skin, because there's no makeup, there is no even cream, I'm really dry a little bit. So this is before, you can see beautifully on the sun. My eyes, also you can see my hair, like my hair is clean, but it needs some cutting. And this is me before the big changes I'm gonna make through the month. So I believe in a month you can't change lots of things, but you can see the difference, and that can give you a motivation to do better. To 30 minutes or 1 hour every day of circadian walk. No music, just French immersion, learning the words. It's about rewiring the brain while moving the body, and if you can't lead your own nervous system, you can't lead anything else. Rural nutrition, simple, raw, high vibration food. I'm gonna take artichoke and black radish concentrate for my internal purification. After 30 days, I will let you know all the results. And then the mask. It's a physical seal for the day. And high science skincare, which will repair what the day tried to break. The coffee is not good, so my replacement will be matcha at the moment, most of the time. Then I will do some changing after, but this is the first month of building some habits that will last longer. This isn't the challenge, my friend. It's an architectural reset. I'm rebuilding the house I live in. I put the details of my protocol in a link below, and let's build something resilient together. If you have any questions, leave the comment below and follow for the next video, which is gonna be in a month with all the results.